What's up everybody, this is Rob from Wonders of London, wishing you all a wonderful day. I'm outside this rather conspicuous alley today and I wonder what we can find inside of it. Maybe if you're a Harry Potter fan, you might be able to give a little guess of where this is. This is in fact Goodwin's Court, and we'll be having a little walk down and a chat. Don't forget folks, if you do enjoy our Wonders of London videos right here on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a little like, and it does wonders for our channel. It'll do wonders for you. Right, let's go straight into it then. So, I mentioned Harry Potter fans. If you are a Harry Potter fan, this is Goodwin's Court, aka Knockturn Alley. You might hear the acoustics go in as we step under this rather creepy little alley and have a walk down. Knockturn Alley is described in the Chamber of Secrets as this street that seems to lean in on itself and crooked. I think you get an idea of that when we take a look at these windows here. These are old Georgian shop windows, folks, so they seem to lean in, and we really do get that vibe here in Goodwin's Court. Not only that, I think the shop windows were designed so people could easily see in and peruse the products, like this lovely Hogwarts bag that they've got on display here. And of course, Harry accidentally goes here when he's trying to get to Diagon Alley via flue powder, and ends up in Borgin and Burkes. You can also see a wonderful old Gothic lamp here. Would have originally been gas lamps, and gas lamps traditionally they only emit about as much as a 20-watt bulb, so not the best. But still better than nothing if you were indeed inside the City of London. Or the City of Westminster, as we are right now. And of course, I wouldn't mind Fred and George's sweet shop around here. It does remind me of Diagon Alley, but that's actually the neighbouring street. And you can stay tuned for another Wonders of London video where I'll go and show you where they based Diagon Alley off. And it's very nearby here. So if you are a fan of Harry Potter and you are in London, then good news, because there's a lot of good places that you can come and check out, and you can do that all with us here at Wonders of London. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. We'll be back real soon.